Building a reliable stay for your dog is all about patience and consistency. Start by choosing a quiet space where your pup can focus. Grab some tasty treats to keep their attention. Begin with your dog in a sitting position. Say stay while holding your hand out, palm facing them. Take a step back. If they stay put, reward them with a treat and lots of praise. If they move, gently guide them back and try again. Gradually increase the distance and duration. Remember, short sessions are key. 5 to 10 minutes is perfect. Keep it fun and positive, and soon your dog will master the stay, command like a pro.